It is so rare for me to actually try, like, and buy a drugstore foundation for my kit. The odd time things pop up that are really great and then they get discontinued. But this one, the Maybelline Superstay Skin Tint, is incredible. I've added it to my kit. I've been using it on every kind of job I do: weddings, beauty campaigns, e commerce. It performs better than a lot of the really expensive foundations that I've tried in my kit over the years. So, some pros and cons though, just before you commit to buying. So pros, the texture is extremely lightweight. The finish is very glowy. I actually have it on today. I started using it as my everyday foundation. It is one of those foundations that a lot of my clients who really do not like the look of makeup on their skin absolutely love. It's crazy long wearing. Some of the cons with this, I will say the color range is not that great. You're going to want to have adjusters in your kit. You should have them anyway. I find silicone based adjusters to be the best with this one. You always have to remember to shake this before you use it. And this is something you are definitely going to have to depot. I depot into a 15 milliliter dropper bottle, but the finish is amazing. You are definitely going to be seeing this in my kit. You're going to be seeing this in my content. I cannot speak highly enough about this. One other thing though, because this is so long wearing, self-setting, it can be drying to certain skin types. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your skin prep.